Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this butter garlic fried rice. It is a delicious recipe and it is packed with flavor of garlic and butter. You will absolutely love this recipe. It is a very simple and easy recipe, so please do try this recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 60 grams or 2 large cubes of butter. Then add 6 chopped garlic cloves and fry this until the garlic is nice and brown. Make sure you do not burn the garlic. Then add 1/3